So, if you are confused between different types of barcodes like UPC barcode, EAN, GS1, or FNSQ, and all these terms are basically confusing you if you are a new Amazon seller or you are willing to start selling your product on Amazon. If that is the case, then this video is just for you because you will get your confusion clear in this video, so keep on watching. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and Redbubble. And on this channel, I teach people like you that how you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are new here and if you like my content and if my content gives some real value to you, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel as well so you can watch some more videos like this. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so first of all we need to understand that what barcode is. So if you go to a utility store and you just pick a product from the shelf and you go to the cash counter and then give that product to a person on the cash counter, then what that person will do? That person will scan that product to know the name and the pricing of that product. So he can just make you an invoice so you can pay for that product. So that means every product has a barcode stick on their packaging which tells the information about the product, that what the product is, what is the name of the product, and what is the price of the product, the retail price. So that means the barcode is a code having the hidden information about the product. That is a case if you are a customer and you are purchasing a product. But what if you are a seller and you are selling your product on any platform, any online platform or an Amazon? So what will you do and what barcode you will paste on the packaging of your product so the Amazon FBA warehouse will know after the scanning of your product that this product belongs to you and someone has placed the order for your product on Amazon. So the barcode we have just talked about that is mentioned on the packaging of the product is called FNSKU barcode. So if you are an Amazon seller and you are having a product already listed on Amazon, so you can just go on Amazon Seller Central and you can just generate that FNSKU barcode from there. But you don't need to confuse about that because I'm going to be showing you that in a moment. But first of all, we need to understand that if we are just willing to list a product on Amazon FBA Seller Central, then what will be the barcode we need at the time of listing the product? So for example, if you go to your Amazon Seller Central and you click on catalog and click on add product, so here you can see that Amazon is asking for a product ID. Product ID that you have to provide to Amazon, and without providing that ID, you cannot list a product on Amazon. And here you can see a drop down menu at the right which says that that code may be a GDIN, maybe an EAN or UPC or ASIC number. So the product ID or code we have to enter to Amazon at the time of listing of that product can be a UPC code, Universal Product Code, or a GS1 code or an EAN code. And FNSKU is a totally different thing. I will explain that at the end of this video. But now we have to focus on what is GS1, what is UPC, and from where we can get. So to list the product, you can use both. You can use the UPC code or you can use the GS1 code. So to get the GS1 code, you can just go to GS1 website. You can just go to Google and type GS1 and then click on the first link. And from there, you will land on this page and you can just read all the information in that page. You can see the pricing of the barcodes on that page. And then you can just click on get your GS1 barcode for Amazon. And then you will land on this page and you can just fill the form and get your GS1 barcode. So that GS1 barcode will be the official barcode for your product and that will be the unique identity of your product that no one can reuse that code again to list their product on Amazon. So that GS1 barcode will protect your product and make your product different from other. So that will be the identity of your product. You can just either buy a GS1 code from their website, which can be a little expensive for you. So if you are willing to go for cheap barcode, you can just go to nationwide.com. You can just go to Google, type nationwide barcodes and you will be lead to their website. They purchase a lot of barcodes, lot of GS1 and UPC barcode from GS1 website, and when they purchase these barcode in bulk quantity, so they can offer a single barcode to you at discounted prices. You can just buy a single barcode from them. You can just buy 5 barcodes, a pack of 10, a pack of 20, and even you can just apply some discount codes to nationwide barcode and you can get some discount as well. So let's just check out their pricing. You can see that they are giving one barcode for $12 and they are giving 10 barcodes for $42. And if you purchase 500 barcodes from them, they will give you at $200. So you will get a one barcode for like $0.40. So they will give you a UPC barcode, and you can use that UPC barcode while listing your product on Amazon. So both options are reliable, but the GS1 is more reliable. If you are having a lot of budget and you are willing to purchase a barcode for $200, so you can just go for GS1. Or if you're willing to purchase a barcode like cheap barcode, so you can just go to Nationwide barcode. So now at this stage, I hope you have cleared your confusion about UPC and GS1 barcode. You can just buy GS1 from their website, or you can just buy UPC from like nationwidebarcode.com. These are the two barcodes. You can just use either one of them while listing your product on Amazon.com. And once you have listed your product by using either GS1 or UPC barcode, your listing will be active on Amazon. And then when your listing will be active on Amazon, then you can generate the FNSKU barcodes for your product. So you can just download those barcodes, you can just stick those barcodes on your product, or you can just ask your supplier to just stick those barcodes on every unit. So when your product will be at Amazon FBA warehouse and someone placed the order on your product, so the person on the Amazon FBA warehouse go to that shelf, pick your product, and then they scan your product, and then they will know that this product belongs to you. So they can just easily identify your product and then ship that product to your customers. So now the question is that how you can generate those FNSKU labels from your Seller Central. You have to just go on your Seller Central, you have to go on Manage Inventory, and then from here you have to select a product for which you have to generate FNSKU label. So for example, I am willing to generate FNSKU labels for this product. So for that, I have to click on drop down menu at the right side, and then from here I have to click on print item labels. And when I click on that, it is asking me that how many labels, how many FNSKU labels I want to print. So let's say I am having 100 units at my home or at my supplier's warehouse, and I need 100 FNSKU codes so I can print them and I can paste them on my boxes. So I have to change this value from 1 to 100. And then I have to click on print item labels, and then I have to click OK, and you can see on the bottom left corner the file has been downloaded. And when I click on this file, I can see 100 barcodes, 100 FNSKU labels for my product in 2 sheets. So when I print that sheet, I simply cut those FNSKU codes and print them on my boxes. So that will be the unique identity of my product on my boxes. So that is the difference between UPC code, GS1 code, and FNSKU labels. So I hope you guys have already cleared your whole concept about Amazon barcode or any product barcode, and now you are able to list your product on Amazon FBA Seller Central with UPC or GS1 barcode, and you are also able to generate FNSKU labels to print on your boxes. But that is not the end of this video, because now the question may comes in your mind that can I list a product on Amazon without having a barcode? Then the answer of this question will be yes. You can just list a product on Amazon FBA Seller Central without any barcode, but I simply don't recommend this, because if you are doing an online selling business and you are investing a lot of money in purchasing the inventory and you are willing to make some money from this business, so you must have to invest some money in your barcodes, because that will give your product a unique identity and that will save you and your product from a lot of trouble in future. But let me just tell you that you can just do it. You can just list any product without barcode with the help of GTIN exemption. Like if you have already purchased a barcode but you just want to make a listing like just for testing purpose, so you can just make your listing without having any barcode. So you can just go on this page and read all the information about GTIN exemption here on Amazon. I have put this link in the description below so you can go there, and I have put some more useful link in the description so you can just go there and check out all those links. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned a lot from this video. So if you like my content and if my content gives some real value to you, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this. And if you want to learn more about Amazon selling, like selling on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and Redbubble, so you can just go on my channel and start watching some videos on my playlist. So those videos will help you a lot in starting your online selling business. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care.